Hi, just wanted to show you a code project that one of my students submitted, and I call it the Season's Greetings Code Project. So it's a digital greeting card, obviously because it's October now, so something with a Christmas or seasons holiday, happy holidays theme obviously makes sense. So I'm gonna run the code, and then you'll see the code do its work and draw the digital greeting card. Okay. So first generating the snow. First the background, which is at night, and then we have snow. Then we have the moon and season greetings, and now we have the Christmas trees, and we have the snowman with a top hat, with the nose, eyes, and buttons. Okay.